Water. All life needs water. But what if your water was contaminated with radium? Radium is a radioactive element that is toxic when ingested. The legal limit for radium in drinking water is 5 picocuries per liter. However, right after hydrofracking for natural gas began in Pennsylvania, some wells had as much as 18,000 picocuries per liter. Standard filter systems cannot bring this highly contaminated water to safe levels, and because radium is absorbed in the body the same way as calcium is, it replaces calcium in the bones and tissues. Children whose bones are still growing and developing are at high risk for cell-related and bone-related diseases caused by radium.
The RadiClear filtration system will combine magnesium oxide with carbon nanotubes to separate radium from water. Carbon nanotubes are small tubes of carbon approximately 100 nanometers in length. Because of their small size and cylindrical shape, carbon nanotubes have a surface area for reaction that is greater than 40 meters squared per gram. Radium bonds with the magnesium oxide on the nanotubes, thus separating its weak bonds with the water. The nanotubes will precipitate out of the water after binding with the radium. The RadiClear filter system will mix magnesium oxide and carbon nanotubes with contaminated water in large tanks. The radium will bond with the magnesium oxide on the nanotubes and sink to the bottom of the tank. The pure water can then be poured off and used for drinking and other purposes. The nanotubes remain behind in the tanks. When the nanotubes build up to a certain level, the tanks are cleaned and the nanotubes are recycled.